Today we have a video from Body Cam Office, and the title of the video is Cops Remove a Wild Alligator from the Starbucks Drive-Thru.
On May 4th, 2024 at 7:30 a.m., the Northport Police Department in Florida responded to a report of a loose alligator spotted at a local Starbucks drive-thru. When officers arrived, the Northport Fire Rescue Team was already on scene.
Yeah. Little baby. Little baby.
Are you arrested?
Fuck no.
You got tape? Yeah. He signed up for going the wrong way.
He might be. You think we could grab him with the dog noose?
Yeah, but we gotta bring him pretty far.
There's water right over there.
There's water right behind the fire station too. We're on the back side of the pad where the bait light is.
Oh, there is? There's a pond in there?
Yes, sir.
You think we could? Yeah. What the hell?
I know I wouldn't be touching no alligator. Unless it's fried, not moving. Alligator wanted some coffee, you know? Alligator wanted an ice white mocha, man. That's what he wanted.
They're gonna try to move across the street. They're gonna try to move that pond.
You ever use one of these?
On a gator? No. On a dog, yes.
Fuck, do you use it?
You stick that end over his head.
You're from Arcadia.
You're from Arcadia, right?
You can put that on it?
I don't know. You think we could?
Yeah, why
There's a
not?
pond over here we can walk him to. You got to get him around the head, though, right?
Ooh, he's quick. This thing stand? Hierarchy.
That's it.
Let me just get it right. Okay.
Here, you got to release it.
Yeah, release it a little bit.
Pull it out as far as it'll go. There you go.
Wait, what part spins?
No, basically,
Nothing spins?
this is the release. Once you get it, you yank that to make it tight.
Yeah, but he's gonna death roll and he's gonna like.
Yeah. Pop the.
I ain't no expert now. I just ain't gonna.
You know how them alligators is. Boy, you get caught up with an alligator and he start that death roll. Boy, your ass is grass. I remember I was watching a video of a lady who was a vet or what? Not a vet, but it was like an aquarium or something like that. And then they were feeding the alligator, and the alligator ended up biting her arm or whatever, and the gator started to death roll. Well, she obviously hopped in, but she death rolled with the alligator. So it was pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna see if I can find that video and roll it at the end of this.
No way.
Yeah, watch out. It's kind of quick.
Oh yeah, they're bad.
Hey, come on. I did not order you to do this. You're volunteering. That's all I got.
You stand. You're wearing so long, girl. You know it's mating season.
There you go. Nicely done, my man. Nicely done. You should be able to hold him now with the pole.
Yeah, where do you want me to drag him?
You know what I'm saying? We're going that way to the pond.
That way?
Yep. Going that way. We're taking him to the FD.
Can I pet your dog? Is he friendly?
We're going around behind the station. There's a pond.
See,
They're dinosaurs, man. I've seen them get run over by cars and walk off.
Yeah, he's got you.
You gotta tell him, sorry, boy, no coffee today.
You doing all right, buddy?
Yeah.
That was slick, dude.
I just don't want him to take off.
No, you did that like you've done it before.
Dude, I just don't want him to take off.
No, you did that like you've done it before.
I ain't never done. See, you can't grab the pole because it doesn't have that swivel on it. So you can't control that. It'll slap it out of your hand.
Oh, okay.
Like the one Near had one that spun.
That's that death roll.
Over here.
Yeah, there's a pond out behind the helicopter. Is that, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right.
You just put him in front of my truck.
All right, now here's the tricky part.
Well,
who's gonna snap that release off?
We'll work together. You impressed me.
Nicely done, but big guy. Just a standard day in Northport. Right?
Yeah.
I'll send these to Josh so he can make you guys look good. Look better, I should say. Look better than you already did.
See, this is normal stuff in Florida.
Truck there behind the book.
Hey, we're almost there. Don't be acting up. Don't act up. Huh? Oh, he's wore out now, Dewar. You can jump on him and close his mouth till we get this thing off.
Yeah, go ahead. I don't have any tape.
No, you don't need tape now. You just gotta hold his mouth shut so I can.
Some other officers ain't doing that.
All right. Can you sneak up behind and put your foot on his mouth?
You ready? You ready?
Yep.
I thought you were gonna say. Hang on.
Oh shit.
You all right? Get it up from there. Hang on. Just work it. Work it. You know what? I got the pole. Yep.
You got a hole?
Yeah. Relax, 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 relax. Relax.
Give it a little more slack and you got it. All right, you got it.
Oh, nice job. Bravest right there.
Following the transport operation, no injuries were reported to either the responders, bystanders, or the animal itself.
Good job, boys. Good job. Look, I want to show you guys this video here. I remember seeing this a while back.
New at 11 scales and
All right, let's see here. So watch how this lady, and look, it's in her. The gator bites her hand, but watch what she does, man, to save her arm. Because if she does not do this, her arm is going to be ripped off. So I think she was feeding the gator. Watch.
Yeah, this video was shot by Teresa Wiseman. You can see what's happening right here. Scales and Tails says Donnie Wiseman and Todd and Amy
Look how brave you have to be to hop in there.
Christopher stepped in to help the handler after she was bitten by the alligator and pulled into
The gator death rolls, and she rolls with it.
by the alligator and pulled into the water right there with the alligator by the alligator and pulled into the water right there.
Wait.
Stepped in to help the handler after she was bitten by the alligator and pulled into the water right there with the alligator rolling. In a statement, they said, quote, "These gentlemen could have stayed in the safety zone as most of us would, but instead jumped into the situation of their own volition and helped rescue and secure the alligator. Their help, combined with the training of our staff member, probably saved her life and her limbs." Mrs. Christopher had a nursing background and started first aid prior to the EMT's arrival, and we thank her for that as well. They went on to say that their staff member is doing well and is in recovery.
oh my gosh, how does he get out of there?
Yeah, now what does he do?
That's what I'm wondering.
Now
So he stays on the gator. He's the one that helped her.
Right. And now she's actually talking him through how to get out of there.
How to get out of there.
Without
okay.
the gator
Oh, man.
attacking him.
Incredible video.
Yeah. Crazy. 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 The gator starts the death roll. She rolls with it. Because if she doesn't, the gator's got her and it's going to snap. The whole thing. The whole thing is over with. And so luckily that guy hopped in there, you know, and got pressure on the gator so that way he won't roll. But now we got to get him out. You know, that was a great, man. That's such, oh man, the IQ on that girl, man. It was like fast thinking, great thinking. Like, because so many people would panic. So many people would panic in that situation. And she thought to, okay, he rolls, I roll. Boom. Let's go. We going. And her arm was actually able to be saved. I remember this story, like this was years ago or whatever, but when I seen this video looking for, you know, some body cam stuff or whatever, I seen this, you know, and you know, every now and then I'll throw a wildlife in there, you know, just something a little different, you know, just something a little different, you know, but man, I instantly thought of this video. I'm like, damn, I hope I could find it, you know. So, but anyways, yeah, alligator wanted some coffee, couldn't get no coffee, man. Go on back to the pond, man. Go terrorize the other fish that's up in there, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.